Game Show. Bam bam.
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam bam. Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam bam.
Ba-bam! नमस्कार, नमस्ते, नमस्कारा, वनक्कम, खुशामदीद, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल, मी कंदरे की वंदनमो, जय स्वामी नारायण, जय श्री कृष्णा, जय जनेन्द्र, ऑफ कोर्स हम सारे इस्माइली भाई बदल बोलेंगे या अली मदद एंड मलाली मदद जन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैसेज ऑन टाइम आलते बाबा फालतू नहीं आज कल्टी मारने वाली है जन लेकिन हम है ना एंड ऑफ कोर्स कैसे दिन पे उसने कल्टी मारी है जन आज तो मैंने फोकस किया था एक्चुअली ऑन ऑल द वुमेन आउट देयर तो आज वुमेनिया वेडनेस करने वाला था मर्जन जैसे कि वुमेनिया वेडनेस मतलब आर वुमेन इन आवर लाइव्स सेलिब्रेटिंग द वुमेन इन आवर लाइव्स मर्जन हाँ आप सोचेंगे अरे यार क्यों आते बाबा इज दैट स्पेशल डे टुडे इज इट इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे नो इट्स नॉट आर यू थिंकिंग इज इट इंटरनेशनल इज इट नेशनल वुमेन्स डे नो इट्स नॉट आर यू like thinking like is it like daughters day no it's not today it's going to be on Sunday and if you're going to be asking me all those kind of questions then why should you look for a day to celebrate women? Come on, yaar, any day should be fine. But today, actually, I'm taking a take on our Indian cinema, wherein our Indian cinema, actually, I want to give credit to where it's due, right? So, काफ़ी दिनों से हम लोग Indian cinema की बहुत खींच रहे हैं. मतलब, we actually pull them up for all the mistakes they have done in life. But right now, today, I want to actually congratulate them. Right? I want to say, wonderful job, good job, and also I want you guys to start thinking about it and give me a call here on 408-912-2479. जब भी हम वुमेन की बात करते हैं तो we always talk about oh women बहुत तो अच्छी माँ एक आदर्श पत्नी एक whatever you know प्यार देने वाली बहन ऐसा kind of stuff and all right so I'm thinking how our Indian cinema actually has beautifully in some movies and some songs have showcased the woman in a different perspective and a nice one also. And in fact, when I say nice one, I'm talking about in reality part of it, trying to be as realistic as possible and you can actually see the beauty about that also. If you can see the whole song and the beautiful songs they've actually made for it. तो आज हम लोग ऐसे गानों की पेश करने वाले हैं no not like you know the songs about माँ songs about बहन भाई बंधु all those things not kind of but more of songs which actually talks about this free spirit and how women actually need to recognize that they are the most powerful, right? We talked about this some time ago. Last week हमने एक काफ़ी सारे ऐसे words निकाले थे जहाँ पे describing मर्दानी as something else, right? We would say it's got to be Mahabala and all that stuff, right? So that kind of stuff. So ऐसे गानों को हम लोग पेश करने वाले हैं. You like these songs, Brajan? So let's start off the evening today. We did have a slow start today because we had some other meetings going on. तो लेकिन फिर भी COVID situation में सब होता है, Brajan सब जायज़ है, unfortunately. But right now, let me tell you, let's start off the day with a nice song which I'll land up for you guys and ऐसे ही गानों को हम लोग पेश करने वाले हैं आज आपको मजा आएगा अगर आप लोगों को ऐसा गाना है जो talks about the women actually and if you're women out there and you want to give us a call here give us a call because today is your day आज है वुमेनिया Wednesdays वुमेनिया Wednesday में आप लोगों के लिए ये है पहला presentation from a movie called Queen. I like the song is called Jugni, right?
ढली रात है दरी 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 दबे पैरों से वो चली कांच की घास पे काली सी डिब्बी में हुई वो कैद थी चंदा की मारी हमने गुलेल थी
Why fart and waste it when you can burp and taste it?
लड़कियों को कुछ भी अलाउड नहीं है वहाँ पे तो अब लोग धक्का करते हैं
जुगनी उड़ी नए पर लिए ओ पिंजरा खो कौसले दोहराए से अभी फलसफे झूठे लगे सभी हो गए चकनाचू जो रोशनी झलके यहाँ ओढ़े हुए चलने के हुजूर है खुद कानून चौखट पे मांगी जिसकी मुराद थी जिसके लिए
इंडियन सब चीज में बेस्ट है किसी में भी इंडियन ही बेस्ट है
कभी इमरान हाशमी का नाम नहीं सुना? उसकी सब फिल्मों में देखो, किसिंग बेस्ट है।
रोहित
जुगनी उड़ी नए नए पर दिए ओ पिंजरा खो ओ पिंजरा खो
And of course, बच्चन ऐसे ही गानों को पेश करने वाले हैं आज थोड़ा बहुत इफ यू फील बिट ऑफ लैग कभी कभी बच्चन ये सॉरी माफ कीजिएगा क्या ना कि हमारे एरिया में बहुत सारे इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ड्रॉप्स हो रहा है लॉट ऑफ डाउन टाइम डिफरेंट प्लेसेस सो प्रेशर और अदर नेटवर्क गोइंग ऑन एंड इसीलिए ये थोड़ा बहुत आपको दिक्कत हो सकती है तो रुकावट के लिए थोड़ा बहुत खेद है हमारी तरफ से बट ऑफ कोर्स आई ब्लेम इट टोटली ऑन आवर नेटवर्क प्रोवाइडर्स दैट इज आवर Comcast and AT&T who actually giving us problem बच्चन हाँ हाँ हमारे पास फॉल बैक है तो कितना भी फॉल बैक रहे तो दूसरे पर बाकी लोगों के पास भी है ना वो सब that's what's happening where the whole network is getting overloaded right now Balajan no problems of the first world countries seriously I tell you but anyway Balajan let's come back to this particular thing ये देखो ये गाना था from the movie Queens and a very nice song which actually talked about all these things and my observation Balajan मैं तो बोलना चाहता हूँ कि these kind of songs which I'm picking today incidentally happen to be only from the time of 2000s I did not come across any song which talked about, just the woman power kind of a thing in 90s and, 80s or whatever it is. Malum nahi kyun? Because that, of course, it was still a male-dominated society or industry, I should say. Not many women-oriented movies came, but even if they came, they'd be like, oh, woman is that particular mom who's like Karan Arjun ka mom who actually waits for ages for the rebirth opportunity to come back and that kind of stuff, or it would be like the concept of Mother India, who's a mother, who's a wonderful mother. Come on, yeah, there's more to women as beyond the roles of being a mother, a brother, a sister, or a wife, kind of stuff, right? So that is what I'm talking about today. And आज ऐसे ही गानों को पेश करने वाले बन In fact, I was very impressed because Millennium actually brought in a new, fresh. A look about women as well, and that's what I liked about these things. And I wanted to present these songs for you guys to enjoy as well. So you also can participate over here by calling us on the phone number 408-912-2479. Oops, I am sorry Banajan. अभी मुझे मैसेज मिला कि मैं फोन नंबर उसके स्क्रीन के ऊपर नहीं डाला तो लोग कैसे कॉल करके पूछ रहे हैं तो यही गो लगा लेना आपको फोन नंबर राइट हियर इट इज 408-912-2479 एंड हाँ वुमेनिया वेडनेसडे पे आपको मिलेगा एक मैन डूइंग द शो यार क्या करे भाई मैं तो वुमेन का सबसे बड़ा फैन हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली आई डू द शो हियर फाल्तू चोज नॉट टू कम टुडे सो इट्स ओके इट्स फाइन वो है किसी मीटिंग में पड़ी है वहाँ पे जब आएगी वो बात करेंगे उससे अगर उसको फुर्सत मिला तो कॉल कर सकती है yeah, Karveen fun. Oh wow, interesting. They're actually giving all kinds of ideas. But I thought Wednesday is a good time for me to do this. Where I can talk about all these things. And you guys can chime in also. All the ladies who are actually joining me on Facebook. Meenakshi ji, you can call in over here. You can share your thing about women here and also the songs or which actually talks about you or women and as a whole. Okay. Deepa, I'm sorry, your favorite Faltrani is not here today. She's not coming on the show. But if she joins us, she'll probably join us the next hour. Like right now, you have me only for the whole show. So yes, don't worry, but I've got some wonderful songs for you guys also. And again, I told you, role of women generally Indian cinema have been talking about in the 70s, 60s and all about the ideal woman and that kind of stuff and all, right? Or will be a rebel, total rebel. Because 90s mein aaya tha, main khayal se, that movie which was about the murder which happened. Was it 90s? I don't remember when it was. But anyway, for me, I think Millennium was the time when the whole storytelling changed and we actually had some good movies which talked about women and different perspectives of women for sure. Now, एक ऐसा film है जहाँ पे इस गाना लगाने वाला हूँ. This is a beautiful song and actually it's a very inspiring story about a lady who actually went on and made India proud by actually becoming one of the very well-known boxers, right? उनके ऊपर biopic बना था which was starring Priyanka Chopra in the movie. Marjan, I'm not going to talk about how the movie was made. I didn't see the movie or how Priyanka Chopra looked also. But I think the story-wise itself, it's a great thing. And this song really talks about the grit she might have been through when she was going through the whole training process and trying to fight the norm of only guys being in the industry of boxing, right? So this is a nice song voiced by Vishal Dadlani. Music though, I don't remember what it was. I think Vishal Dadlani, it's Vishal Shekhar, I suppose. No, it's Shashi Suman. Yeah, this is only voiced by him. And if you're wondering, arey, nice song, who could be the lyricist for this? It was Prashant Ingole from the movie Mary Kom.
बस खुद की ही सुनता बातें
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
नादानी से है नाते ये गुर्राता आते जाते ये दिल को कहता ये रातें ये वो देखे हैं आँखों में किस्मत की आँखें डाले हैं हवा के कानों में जाके कहे किस्मत किसकी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है आई आई मनमानी के ओए 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 शहर जाके ओए 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 शैतानी लाता है सर पे ये बांध के छेड़खानी को ओए 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 ये समझा के ओए 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 नजरों पे चुपके से लाता है तान के रहता सबसे टकराते ये अपनी ही धुन में गाते ये वो देखे आँखों में किस्मत की आँखें डाले हैं हवा के कानों में जाके कहे किस्मत किसकी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है जिद्दी है दिल ये जिद्दी है
Yeah, बदजान दिल ये जिद्दी है हो क्यों ना बदजान जब दिल जिद्दी होता है तभी तो सब कुछ हमें पिद्दी लगता है. In other words, Badajan, it is one time when actually you have to have the grit to fire it out. And yes, Badajan, right now let me tell you, आज सुन रहे हैं वुमनिया Wednesdays on our Pam Pam show, जहाँ पे हमारी वुमनिया जो है, वुमनिया का मतलब people actually wonder what वुमनिया is. People think वुमनिया is an industry where they actually are it's an incubator for women-owned businesses to survive in India, the cottage industry kind of thing, right? No. Womania actually, if you look at it, I think it's a colloquial term for women. That's all. And today is just Womania Wednesdays. I just thought I'll just bring it up like Badajan. And yes, काफ़ी सारे ऐसे फिल्में हैं जो हमारे इंडस्ट्री ने अच्छी काम की हैं जहाँ पे they actually made sure they bring in those kind of stories into the mix. And hats off and kudos to them. And of course, yaar, every time bashing up Bollywood also is not nice. Not always. So today I want to give credit to all those songs and movies they made where actually they actually got things right, basically. Now, yes, today being Womania Wednesdays, men, where are you? You actually should call up and you can actually share something about your women. Nah, you don't have to do it because is it already International Women's Day? No, it's not that at all, bandus. Call karo yahan pe aur hamare saath share karo about the women in your life, Purja. And why do you require a specific day? Right? Every day can be a day when you actually can remember your women or give praise to them, or I don't know, just appreciate their presence in your life. That's important, right? So, आगे बढ़ते हैं Birjan. In fact, we're coming to the close of our first hour. Second hour में और थोड़े अच्छे गाने आने वाले हैं Birjan. Don't worry about that. लेकिन I will play one more song which I totally dig. Because just now I played a song of a sportswoman, right? Which actually was a biopic. Now, एक और फिल्म आई थी जहाँ पे ये biopic नहीं था. I guess it's more of just a story. It was a fictional story. But probably they said there's some truth to the fact that there was a certain person who actually tried to enter into the yeah, into the kabaddi business, right? Again, after I should say a second take, after like family, bachche hone ke baad, trying to come into the sports industry was what is the inspiring story here again. Now, isme bhi na to hai she is a mother, she is a wife, she's a daughter, everything is there. But what I really liked about this movie or the song was the fact that the way they portrayed, the person. The person as the person and the challenges they go through. And yes, women have this thing called grit. No, you should never take panga with women is what I know. I've heard about this, I've seen this. Our life where we also have, I've seen people, especially Mahima ji. Yes, there are many people that way. Father bhi to kache hai, kabhi panga lene ke manwa se, because they will give you a response very well. But hats off to all the women out there. Today's Women Yeah Wednesday Day is giving a kind of a tribute to all the women out there. ये इस गाना सुनिएगा स्टारिंग कंगना रनौत बंजन
हर बाजी होगी सदा अपने हाथ रे दिल में जो हौसला रहा
जावेद अख्तर साहब के बोल हैं बंजन इस गाने को गाया है हर्षदीप कौर दिव्य कुमार एंड सिद्धार्थ महादेवन
जीना उन्हीं का जीना है जो होते हैं निडर परवाह न कर दुनिया की जो करना है वो कर
मन की जो सुने है वही चंगा
I think, if I'm not mistaken, music by Shankar Ehsaan Loy. I might be wrong, but anyways, अभी के लिए ऐसे सोच के जाइएगा, enjoy कीजिए गाने को.
आवाजों से समाजों से बंधनों से दुश्मनों से बेईमानी से मनमानी से हर खिटखिट से हर लिमिट से मंजिल का रास्ता कठिन पर किसी चिंता के बिन हमने जो रास्ता चुना
जब जब हिम्मत दिखाई तब ही मंजिल है पाई फिर डर किस बात का
हाँ खुल के सांस ले ले हाँ खुल के जी ले हम
उम्मीद के अमृत की हर एक बूंद पी ले हम
जीवन हो अपना रंग बिरंगा रंग बिरंगा पंगा 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 ले पंगा ले पंगा 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 ले पंगा ले पंगा 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 ले पंगा ले पंगा 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 ले पंगा
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
एक लातू और एक फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह एक लातू और एक फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह और जो पैम पैम में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था एक लातू और एक फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह एक लालतू और एक फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह और जो पैम पैम में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था हर एक दिन सुनते हैं यार शाम को छोड़
अपने सारे काम धाम को। थीम है जुदा जुदा, गानों बातों में मजा, पोस्ट है कि वारे वाह, बोलो 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 बोलो। एक आलतू और एक फालतू, दोनों ही मस्त इस तरह। ओ, एक आलतू और एक फालतू, दोनों है मस्त इस तरह। और जो पैम पैम में हो रहा है, ये तो होना ही था। ला 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 ला, ला 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 ला। कहानियाँ सुना के आपको लुभाएंगे, पहेलियाँ सब आपकी बुझाएंगे। आत्म ज्ञान इस तरफ, कॉमन सेंस उस तरफ, छोटा जाए किस तरफ, बोलो 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 बोलो। एक आलतू और एक फालतू, दोनों है मस्त इस तरह। हाँ, एक आलतू और एक फालतू, दोनों है मस्त इस तरह। और जो पैम पैम में हो रहा है, ये तो होना ही था। कही कहावतें हैं ये काम की, है अनसुनी हिदायतें हैं आपके आराम की। ओ पैम पैम के भरम, भूल गए खुद को हम, ऐसा है ये कार्यक्रम। सुनो 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 सुनो। एक आलतू और एक फालतू, दोनों है मस्त इस तरह। एक आलतू और एक फालतू, दोनों है मस्त इस तरह। और जो पैम पैम में हो रहा है, ये तो होना ही था, ये तो होना ही था।
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Bye-bye. नमस्कार, नमस्ते, नमस्कार, वनक्कम, खुशामदीद, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल, मी कंदरकी वंदनमो, जय स्वामी नारायण, जय श्री कृष्णा, जय जनेंद्र, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हम सारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलेंगे या अली मदद एंड मौला अली मदद बलजान। हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के दौरे, मैसेफ आलतू बाबा एंड फालतूरानी आज तो कल्टी बनने वाली है, लेकिन आएगी तो बाद में पूछेंगे व्हाट हैपेंड टू हर, बिकॉज आज का टॉपिक शी हैड टू बी हियर, इट वुड बी नाइस टू रिप्रेजेंट, बट मौका है आप लोगों को आज रिप्रेजेंट करने का बलजन एंड टॉकिंग टू अस अबाउट व्हाट द थीम फॉर टुडे इज, व्हिच इज वुमेनिया वेडनेसडेज, एंड वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द वुमेन इन आवर लाइव्स एंड गिविंग अ शाउट आउट टू एवरीबॉडी आउट देयर. व्हाई शुड इट ओनली बी ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर मदर्स डे और डॉटर्स डे और वुमेन्स डे? व्हाट इज नो, इट कैन बी ऑन एवरी डे फॉर द मैटर. तो मैंने सोचा व्हाई नॉट आज वुमेनिया वेडनेसडे करेंगे. एंड टुडे आई एम एक्चुअली फोकसिंग ऑन इंडियन सिनेमास. Well, actually, in every show we actually focus on the cinema. We either beat them up really bad or we like prop them up high in the air and all. But today I just want to give credit to where it's due, because Indian cinema actually have given us some good songs, which are some good movies also, which actually talked about in a fairly accurate way as to what struggles women go through and everything, and also how how the perspective of women is. Also, they've done some good things actually. Previously, maybe Haji played some good songs for you guys. We started off with some nice song for the movie called Queen, which was a very unique kind of movie storyline, wherein it generally happens, is what they say. सच्ची में हुआ है, काफी सारे लोगों के lives में ऐसा हुआ है, and how the protagonist takes on and takes the life on, head on, and starts living life. That's what they show in the movie, I believe. I haven't seen the movie for some reason. I don't know why. Don't ask me. I never got a chance to actually watch it when it came on, and then later on I got busy and everything, and nobody actually told me to go watch the movie again. So somebody calls me and tells me, no, Altaba, go watch the movie. Probably I will watch it this particular weekend. So call karo, batao 408-912-2479 pe 4089122479. Now, बाद में we played some nice songs, and we went into the sports arena, and sometimes I feel like, if you look at the overall sports situation of Indian sports, right, women sports teams have actually excelled really good worldwide. Take it, maybe cricket or maybe other thing also, even track and field. The only name which comes to mind after Milkha Singh probably is PT Usha. Come on, guys, you can't deny this, okay? You can't deny it. The women actually are better sportswomen than men, I suppose, in Indian culture as well, at least. They're doing an excellent job, actually. That's a wonderful job. And one more thing what I want to say is I like the movies which are actually focused on women. Like, for instance, the Mary Kom, I played a song for the Ziddi Dil, where they actually did a movie, and there was a wonderful song on that. Similarly, there was also a movie about a kabaddi player, Kangana Ranaut's movie, which was called Panga Tiger Track I played. So it's a movie called Panga itself. It's a very nice movie. Now, I'm not going to ask you any questions about it. Probably you will not know about these movies because it'll just slip to your mind. Because, we are a male-dominated society. We only look at movies. Remember, movies only has male, like, Salman Khan. Salman Khan poster, we go crazy after all those things. But sometimes I think we should also look at the story and try to see if we can actually learn. Because a lot of inspirational points to get from these kind of movies which I'm playing today. One of the movies, of course, Shah Rukh Khan started there. Yeah, I can't say that, Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah, Shah Rukh Khan comes in the movie, it becomes all about him. But the whole thing was, he was managing it was actually based on a true story of a coach who was coaching the Indian hockey team, women's hockey team. And उसमें एक super duper गाना है which I want to play for sure. And these are songs which actually, it's not, I'm actually bringing a perspective of women apart from the regular thing which we talk about. Oh, a woman, it means, oh, mother, oh, sister, oh, wife, oh, all those things, right? No, it's something beyond all those things, right? That's what I'm trying to focus on today. And we started off with sports, so sports के और भागे, we'll go towards that again. Sports में काफी सारे movies भी आए हैं about those things, and now this is the next song I want to play for you guys. गाना enjoy करो, and if you feel the urge to actually call in today and say, hey, you know what, yes, shout out to all the women in my life, you can do that by giving us a call here on 408-912-2479.
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया, चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हमको होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में, बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है, बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है.
And this movie के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ publicity नहीं आया, but I don't think it even made a big bucks for Shah Rukh Khan, but nevertheless a good attempt. Music by Salim Suleiman, and oh my God, Bajan, sorry, my bad, मुझसे गलती हो गई. But let's go to caller waiting line. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है Pam Pam की वुमनिया Wednesday में. Who's this?
नमस्कार, this is रंजीत भाटिया.
रंजीत भाटिया जी. Pam Pam to you, कैसे हैं सर?
बस ठीक है, आज वुमेन डे पे फालतू रानी ने कल्टी मार ली। हाँ
हाँ देखा, उसने तो उस मौके का फायदा उठा लिया उसने।
सबसे बड़ा उदाहरण तो वही है ना यहाँ पर।
हाँ हाँ,
तुम्हारे
सही बात।
साथ में बिल्कुल बरोबरी का कार्यक्रम कर रही है।
अरे बरोबरी नहीं, मैं से ज्यादा करती है वो। नहीं मानता हूँ मैं, जब वो नहीं है तब मानता हूँ, जब है तो मानता नहीं हूँ। वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। लेकिन सर आप बताइए हमें कि आज वेरी गुड मेल पर्सपेक्टिव आ गया, तो आपके लाइफ में कोई ऐसा सिचुएशन है वेयर यू एक्चुअली वांट टू सैल्यूट द वुमेन इन योर लाइफ?
जो दंगल फिल्म में जो गाना है ना, ऐसी धाकड़ धाकड़,
हाँ।
वो मूवी है। और दूसरा विद्या बालन की 2 मूवी आई थी, एक तो वो मिशन मंगलम,
हाँ हाँ,
और एक तुम्हारी सल्लू।
यस।
तो इस टाइप की मूवियों में दिखाया है कि वो वुमेन कितनी बोल्ड है और वो किसी भी क्षेत्र में पीछे नहीं है।
सर आई वांट टू आस्क यू वन थिंग, आप तो हमारे जैसे ही एक मूवी बफ हो, मतलब हम तो बफून है लेकिन आप बफ हो। द थिंग इज ये मैं जब रिसर्च करा था, मुझे ना बस आई कैन ओनली फाइंड मिलेनियम में ही कुछ चेंज ऑफ यू नो थॉट प्रोसेस हुआ है मूवी मेकर्स में। आई एम मोस्ट ऑफ द सॉन्ग्स आई हैव एबल टू पिक और एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, एबल टू सी व्हाटएवर, वो फ्रॉम द 2000 के बाद की बात है। उससे पहले कोई याद है आपको कोई ऐसा कोई फिल्म जहाँ पे नॉट द रोल वुमेन का अपलिफ्टमेंट, मतलब आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट वुमेन एज नॉट लाइक द मूवीज लाइक खून भरी मांग और व्हाटएवर इट इज, वेयर शी इज द मदर एंड बिकॉज़ ऑफ बीइंग अ मदर शी डज ऑल दिस स्टफ, ऐसा नहीं, जस्ट एज वुमेन यू नो शोइंग देम एज यू नो वेयर दे आर। लेकिन ऐसा कोई फिल्म याद आ रहा है आपको, कोई गाना याद आ रहा है?
ऐसा कोई फिलहाल तो मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, पर मेरे को पीछे अपनी फ्लैशबैक में जाना पड़ेगा।
नहीं एक्चुअली इट वाज नॉट ऑन टॉप ऑफ द माइंड, इट वाज नॉट देयर द माइंड, दैट्स व्हाट आई फील समटाइम्स। तो थैंक यू सो मच सर, आपने कॉल किया एंड यस यू वांट टू गिव अ शाउट आउट टू द वुमेन इन योर लाइफ, आपके लाइफ में जो है। हाँ बोलिए बोलिए, क्या बोलना है?
ये जितनी भी मेरी मदर, मेरी वाइफ, मेरी सिस्टर जितनी भी हैं,
हाँ,
इतना इन्होंने हर कदम पे साथ दिया है।
या
सभी वुमेन जो लाइफ में आई है सभी को सैल्यूट मारता हूँ।
वेरी गुड, वंडरफुल। In fact, salute going out to all the women I know, not only my mom, my sister, whatever. I think everybody I would salute for sure.
Everybody, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
आज Women Veterans Day में ऐसे ही करने वाले हैं, and yes, ये भी कहने
क्योंकि
वाले हैं
गाड़ी
कि
के 2 पहिए होते हैं, एक पहिया टूट जाए तो गाड़ी चल नहीं सकती।
हाँ हाँ, लेकिन फिर भी अगर वुमेन है तो एक पहिया में चला देगी। ये मेरा उन पे को विश्वास है। बट थैंक यू सो मच सर, आपने कॉल किया एंड यू नो फॉर सेलिब्रेटिंग और अदर पेइंग ट्रिब्यूट टू द वुमेन इन आवर लाइव्स। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट सर, एंड आपका गाना डेफिनेट लगेगा फॉर श्योर। ऑलराइट, Thank you so much. And yes, दंगल तो मेरे लिस्ट में था, but जान, well, you might say दंगल हो, okay, I've had people who come and say, अरे यार, दंगल would not have been possible if not for Mr. Fogart. अरे यार, Mr. Fogart was there, yes, but if these girls hadn't taken on and done it, it wouldn't have happened, right? क्या आप ऐसे बोल रहे हो, हैं? But anyway, Banjan, that particular song, I totally agree with you. That धाकड़ song, अगर मैंने वो धाकड़ song नहीं लगाया, तो I will feel very bored, but Jen, so here you go. This is a Dhakad song going out to all the Dhakad women out there. Why? Only Dhakad women. All the women out there. आप सभी लोग धाकड़ हो, एंजॉय करो, ये गाना सुनो और अपने अपने क्या बोलते हैं, गिरेबान whatever you call it, raise करो ऐसे and go walk around like the swag on this Womania Wednesdays.
निक्कर और टी-शर्ट पहन के आया साइकिलोन, निक्कर और टी-शर्ट पहन के आया साइकिलोन, लगा के फोन बता दे सबने बच के रहियो बागड़ बिल्ली से, चंडीगढ़ से या दिल्ली से, तन्ने चारों खाने चित कर देगी, तेरे पुरजे फिट कर देगी, डट कर देगी, तेरे दाव से बढ़ के पेच पलट कर देगी, चित कर देगी, चित कर देगी। ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, 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 ऐसी धाकड़ है।
या धाकड़ है, पर जान सभी ऐसे ही धाकड़ है। गाड़ी की तरफ जाएंगे, मतलब डोंट वरी अबाउट, आई लव द सॉन्ग। ये गाना गाते गाते डांस करते करते मैं तो कभी थकता नहीं हूँ। लेट्स गो बंधु वेटिंग लाइन। नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है वुमेनिया वेडनेसडे में। हु इज दिस? हेलो
हेलो, पैम पैम,
मीनाक्षी जी, कैसा है आप?
एकदम बढ़िया, आप बताइए।
तो आज ऑफ कोर्स ट्रिब्यूट टू ऑल वुमेन्स लाइक यू, सभी लोगों के लिए, ऑल द वुमेन आउट देयर, आपके लिए ट्रिब्यूट है आज का शो।
ओह, थैंक यू सो
वेरी
मच।
गुड वेरी गुड। तो आप बताइए, आपका यू नो कोई ऐसा फिल्म आपको याद आ रहा है या गाना याद आ रहा है जहाँ पे वुमेन का एक्चुअल रूप, नो आई एम नॉट, ओके लेट मी टेक इट बैक, आई एम एक्चुअली गोइंग टू से the not the stereotypical thing. Oh, women, emotional mother, the sahanshilta bhari wife or the doting sister. All those kind of things. I'm talking about actual role of women. कोई ऐसा आपको याद आ रहा है फिल्मों में?
पता नहीं, लाइक अगर मैं पुरानी मूवीज में जाऊं तो मुझे जो लाइक फिर अगेन आप कहेंगे कि ये तो मदर से एसोसिएटेड था, बट लाइक वुमेन ओरिएंटेड मूवी मदर इंडिया थी.
हाँ, लेकिन वो तो मदर मतलब yeah, see, I understand. So my point exactly. So we always have been told by Indian cinema that women go to adarsh mother, adarsh patni, adarsh wo, but they don't talk about the women as women. Like there was no chance for us to imagine her as something else, right?
Okay. Yeah, so maybe the Guide movie can fit in because in that Wahida Rahman played a like kind of rebel woman.
Yes.
Who left behind her like cheating and unsupportive husband.
Yes.
Go for her passion. So
there you go. See, it had to be a woman who come and tells me this thing. देखो आपने आके मेरा आंखें खोल दी. Very good.
तो मेरे हिसाब से शायद Guide movie तो थी जिसमें एक अलग किरदार निभाया था जो स्टीरियोटाइप से अलग था वहीदा रहमान.
Yes. And that song also pretty much the, kind of a description of her life, right? कांटों से खींच के आंचल. So she already was in a difficult situation, and then she kind of pulled her आंचल out of the thorny place and went on with what she wanted to do. Correct? Very nice. Oh wow.
And other than that, प्रणव जी ने भी मेंशन करा था इस मूवी का मिर्च मसाला जो मूवी थी, स्मिता पाटिल की मूवी थी, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग किरदार निभाया था उसने.
Oh really? I haven't seen that movie, Mirch Masala.
हाँ, उसमें सारे like big shot थे, like ओमपुरी, दीना पाठक, रत्ना पाठक, नसीरुद्दीन शाह.
Wow.
काफी bold movie थी.
Was it a parallel cinema, not like the mainstream cinema? Probably it was parallel.
mainstream cinema में ही थी.
Oh really? Because
हुआ है, बहुत अच्छी movie है.
Do you remember the time when it came in 80s, 90s? Of course, she was.
Yeah, I think 80s end में ऐसे आई थी.
Probably that would have been when Nazuddin Sharma were doing parallel cinema, right? They were actually famous for NFDC movies, probably. But anyway, that did not. I don't know if it actually took on mainstream thing, but yeah, I didn't know about that movie. But thank you. That's a good another movie also to think about. Yes, but very rare, na. It's very rare. It's like the 90s, 80s में जो भी आता है ज़हन में only those kind of movies are like hero worship movies. And maximum hero will be like Sita Geeta kind of movies or Chalbaz movies where she's the daughter of something and she's got to be Adarsh daughter, one will be a rebel daughter, all the stuff. But anyway, good. So thank you so much. And आज आप तो वुमन या हो ही, तो thank you so much for calling in and representing thing. फालतू तो नहीं है यहाँ पे, लेकिन आपने कॉल किया. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you so much, मीनाक्षी जी. देखो बंजन, आप भी कॉल कर सकते हो यहाँ पे on 4089122479 पे 408 912247. एक कॉलर आ गया जो फीमेल कॉलर थी. लेट्स सी whether people are going to call बंजन. लेकिन I want to enjoy the song. ये मेरे एंजॉयमेंट के लिए और आपके लिए बंजन. This is the song from the movie दंगल.
तेरी अकड़ की रस्सी जल जावेगी, पकड़ मैं इसकी आग है. जो इंची टेप से नापेगी, तेरी कितनी ऊंची नाक है. तेरी सांस अटक जावेगी, वाह जोर पटक जावेगी. कसम तने चारों खाने चित कर देगी, तेरे पुरजे फिट कर देगी, डट कर देगी. तेरे दाव से बढ़ के पेंच पलट कर देगी, चित कर देगी, चित कर देगी. ऐसी धाकड़ है, 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 ऐसी धाकड़ है. स्पीड सुपर फास्ट, बड़ी छोरी जबर जाट, बड़ी बांगा इसने जो देखा जो पीता है. गीता बाणी चीता इससे पहले के पपीता गिरे झाड़ से, जो धाड़ से पछाड़ गई, जो भी था उखाड़ ना उखाड़ गई. जितने टेम में तो देख पावे, बल्कि झपक कर लपक कर निकल जावेगी. राइफल की बुलेट ने भी टक्कर दे जावेगी. तन्ने चारों खाने चित कर देगी, तन्ने चारों खाने चित कर देगी. तेरे पुरजे फिट कर देगी, डट कर देगी, दाव से बढ़ के पेच पलट कर देगी, जित कर देगी, जित कर देगी। ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है, 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 बाबे ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है,
ऐसी धाकड़ है, धाकड़ है, ऐसी धाकड़ है। Of course, बजा that was a song for you for the movie दंगल। And दंगल का म्यूजिक जो है, let me see, मुझे याद है कि नहीं मालूम नहीं मुझे, लेकिन दंगल का फिल्म प्रीतम का म्यूजिक डायरेक्शन था for sure. I am not sure Amitabh Bhattacharya was lyricist for this. Probably would have been Amitabh Bhattacharya. Preetham hai to definitely he'll take a Bengali guy. So it's actually going to be Amitabh Bhattacharya only for sure. Gaya kaun hai? Amir Khan aur kaun gaayega bhai? And okay, coming back to the point. Aaj hai Womania Wednesdays. We're talking about Womania Wednesdays, the role of women in Indian cinema. Not relegated to only the part of, Adarsh Ma, Adarsh Malik, the Dukh Bari Ba, whatever it is, always, or for the matter, the Adarsh Patni, or the doting sister role, whatever it is, right? Uske alawa, talking about women's perspective is what we're talking about. That is also part of it. I'm not saying no, but movies actually bring light to those kind of stuff. Like for instance, Meenakshi ji actually brought in a wonderful story. She talked about the story which of Mirch Masala, which when Pranabji talked about, referred to last week, I suppose. This was again, I'm not seeing the movie, but supposedly has a different view about women, as well as in a different view, as in it's talking different. We're talking about a more realistic kind of a view, probably. Now, what really slipped my mind also was the story of Guide. See, it's so easy for us to forget all those things. But again, I'll play a song which actually is from the movie Guide, which also talks about the life of the particular character in the movie, right? So, sujiyega, enjoy कीजिएगा, and we'll come back with more interesting songs for you guys. ये तो गाना था because our Meenakshi ji reminded us for it, and she was the only woman who called us in the show. Remember this. People actually posting on Facebook and not calling us here. But yeah, do call us 408-912-2479 पे. जान, ये सेंटिमेंट जो है, ऑफ कोर्स ये गाना जो है लिखा था आपको आई थिंक 60s और 70s में आया था। मैं फिल्म क्या से नो 65 में आया था ये फिल्म, एंड म्यूजिक डायरेक्शन बाय S.D. Burman, Shailendra ji's lyrics, I suppose. Okay, anyway, I might be wrong as usual, but doesn't matter. But the thing is, you can always Google and find out for sure. And ये था for the movie guide. मुझे तो बहुत सिफारिश आ रही है Facebook पे कि आखिर जाके I should go watch the movie for sure. ठीक है, अगर आप बोलेंगे तो डेफिनेटली वॉच करूँगा। I've actually seen the movie guide if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I think बचपन में देखा था कहीं पे, तो मैंने I remember to have seen a VCD of guide sometime in my childhood. But I don't remember the story. But there you go. That's the thing. I want to call out Indian cinema for sometimes really doing a good job of just celebrating women the way they are. Right? Not expecting them to be a certain, not prescribing certain norms on them or prescribing certain characteristics on them. No, it should be just the way they are, right? So that's the way it should be. That's the best way to actually portray somebody, I suppose. Now, ye Gana ka sentiment jo hai, right? That that she wants to fly, right, and she wants to live this particular. Now she wants to live, right? Probably she's come out of the bad situation and wants to live. Now ऐसा ही एक और गाना है जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, फिल्म भी बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. Unfortunately, though I saw the movie in theater, I had to step out of the movie towards the end of the movie for almost 15-20 minutes. So I missed quite a bit of the movie, but I got the gist of the movie for sure. Movie was a delight to watch, partly because it also talks about the radio life, I guess. The movie's name is called Tumhari Sulu, right? And it's a very nice movie. And usme ek gana hai which I really want to play for you guys, and I want you guys to listen to this. Movie mein to she's a housewife and everything, but that's not the focus of the whole movie. The movie is about her and her dream of actually doing something and how she wants to achieve. And it's a beautiful song which actually rings very close to the song which just now heard of Guide. And this is about Manwa likes to fly. Pankh Lagake likes to fly. So listen to the song. It's a beautiful song. I think it is Shalmali Kholgade's voice. Tanish Bagchi ka music tha ye. That's right. I remember this because Tanish Bagchi special kiya tha humne, so we actually done this, and it's a Shalmali Kholgade's voice for sure. Lyrics is by Vayu. A very nice, very well written kind of song, and sentiments captured beautifully by Vidya Balan's acting also in the movie. The movie name is Tumhari Sulu. One more time. On Women Ya Wednesday Jan. This is a song for all the women out there. Apna pankh laga ke, come on yaar, try to fly. You will.
रुकी रुकू मैं ना क्योंकि उंगली पकड़ ली सपनों की आए है खुशियों के पंछी खुली जो खिड़की अखियों की दिल तो बलून है जुनून से भरा है जो मेरी धड़कनों की स्वीट ट्यून से भरा है जो दिल तो बलून है जुनून से भरा है जो मेरी धड़कनों की स्वीट ट्यून से भरा है जो मैं रहूं क्यों शायद मनवा पंख फैला के likes to fly दुनिया पुल 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 कर keeps on trying मनवा पंख फैला के likes to fly दुनिया पुल 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 करे आजकल सच में जिंदगी है टच में दुनिया भी है भली लाइक असहेली लम्हों के बस में सपनों के चश्मे लहरों में हो जली उम्मीदों की गली दिल थोड़ा स्वीट है बस थोड़ा सा ही डीट है दिल थोड़ा स्वीट थोड़ा डीट सा है जी थोड़ा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा थोड़ा नीट सा है जी है तो अपना ही भाई मनवा पंख फैला के likes to fly दुनिया पुल 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 करे keeps on trying मनवा पंख फैला के likes to fly दुनिया पुल 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 करे
या आज के वुमेनिया वेडनेसडे पे हम लोग ऐसे गानों को पेश कर रहे हैं या ऐसे गानों को रिकग्नाइज कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे they actually portrayed a nice perspective of women, you know, a more realistic perspective of women, I should say, not the one prescribing things on them, right? That kind of stuff. So yes, thank you so much. People actually posting on Facebook. Meenakshi, again, you're right. It actually one movie which Vidya Balan did very beautifully. Movie also was a nice thriller movie. I like the movie also. Kahani tha. Kahani movie, and second part of Kahani 2 is something which I think got a little bit convoluted, but Kahani 1 definitely was nice. Yeah, and I don't want to give out too much about the movie because the movie itself, you got to watch it. I would say definitely watch this kind of movie. These movies are worthwhile watching. Now, Vidya Balan is one such person who actually has able to shoulder these movies. Whether they become super duper hits or not, I don't know. I don't know if they'll actually reach the commercial success of what a so-called, you know, a jaded Karan Johar's movie, or for the matter, a jaded Salman Khan's movie, right? So, or for the matter, even Shah Rukh Khan movie. So that's the sad part about these kind of movies. They actually don't get the kind of publicity which they should be getting. But very few people who are, you know, who actually appreciate these movies will do shows about them, like me. And but this, of course, you guys like these songs, so do post and do share about these shows for sure. Now, speaking about inspirational stories, Tumhari Sullu was again a fictional story, I suppose, but pretty much a plausible story. When I say plausible, it's actually could be somebody has might have been through those elements in life, and that's why I kind of like that story. Now let's go to a biopic again. Now we're jumping back and forth, like, you know, we're going to fictional biopic, right? So going back to this particular biopic part of it, there was I won't call it a biopic. It actually was a based on a true story about a woman again, and this is a beautiful thing because it talks about the struggle she went through, not only in terms of the discrimination which happens because of gender discrimination in the industry of teaching schools, but also in terms of discrimination when it comes to people's abilities, neural ability. So the story is about a woman who actually was in the profession of teaching, but suffered from this, or rather has this condition called Tourette syndrome. And how she overcame all those things, and, you know, and just had the grit to do it. And there's a beautiful song in that movie. Movie is called Hichki. Agar aapne dekha nahi, to of course I'm not going to ask any questions today as such, because I want you guys just to know about these songs. These are wonderful songs, wonderful movies, wonderful stories actually. And the interesting part I like about this thing is music direction be as a woman, Jasleen Royal, Raj Shekhar lyrics the, and sung by Arijit Singh. The song again, you'll see a similar string all through and through, and then probably you'll also understand the fact that how much of struggle women actually are going through, right? Because of this, you know, ages, we've been subjugating women for such a long time, and we realize that actually come out of it, but and give them the opportunity to really fly, and they will. So that's what you got to do. And it's a beautiful song again. Khol De Par is the movie song name. Enjoy the song. I'll be back after this, presenting more such beautiful songs.
अब तू अपने दम पर फूंक मार के धूल झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे चप्पर। खोल दे पर, 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 खोल दे पर। रटी रटाई सारी छोड़ो भी दुनियादारी, रटी रटाई सारी छोड़ो भी दुनियादारी, भागी तेवर जो तेरे बोलेंगे सब अनारी, सबको मनाने की तेरी नहीं जिम्मेदारी, ऊंचे आसमानों में लिख दे तू हिस्सेदारी। खोल दे पर, खोल दे पर, खोल
Badijan, call the party, all the ladies and women you are listening right now to me. Call the apna par yaar and just udan bharo. Well, number to call you 408-912-2479.
रुकी हुई सुई होती सही दो दफा जो क्यों है रहना मन का हल कहना रोके चाहे हिचकियां आज समंदर अपना नंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर बोले
And yes, that's a beautiful song from this beautiful movie, I should say. Aap miss na karo because it brings light to multiple things, Brajan. Not only the discoveries happen in terms of gender, but also in terms of neurodiversity, Brajan. What happens so there? Oh my goodness, somebody called. Please, जो भी आपने call किया था, please call me back. By mistake, मैंने आपका call drop कर दिया. अरे रे, माफ कीजिएगा. फिर से call कीजिएगा if you can. 408-912-2479. Sorry. Thousand apologies. So तो on air था, unfortunately. मैं तो बात करने के चक्कर में पूरा ऑफ ही कर दिया था. Sorry, Brajan. And of course, this was again based on a true story. Do call us back 408-912-2479. माफ कीजिएगा. जो भी हमें कॉल किए थे, probably you are wonder, what just happened? I by mistake discarded the phone. So give us a call back again 408-912-2479. मुझे I got carried away with the song. वो गाना इतना अच्छा है ना. I love the song. Not because the way Arijit Singh has sung it, because just the song. The meaning of the song itself. Let's go on the waiting line. Namaskar, आपका हर्ष फतेह पैम पैम की वुमन या वेडनेसडे में. Who's this?
पैम पैम
मैं आनंद जी, कैसे हैं आप?
बहुत बढ़िया. आप हमारा नंबर क्यों काट देते हैं?
अरे सॉरी यार, मैंने बताया सॉरी बोल दिया ना. जब गलती है तो मैं मान लेता हूँ.
वो तो मैंने सुना ही नहीं. सॉरी तो आपने सुना नहीं.
अच्छा तो आपके लिए सॉरी बोल देता हूँ. चलो माय मिस्टेक. अच्छा बाद में आप तो हमारे स्टार वुमन या हो. हाँ
हाँ. तो आज का जो टॉपिक है, अपनी फालतू रानी नहीं है, तो आप उसके पीछे ये टॉपिक इतना बढ़िया कर रहे हो. उसके लिए मैं आपको दाद देती हूँ. बिकॉज आप सामने तो कम तारीफ करते हो, लेकिन पीछे तो ज्यादा करते हो ना.
अरे पीछे से करना पड़ेगा, मतलब तारीफ, राइट? मतलब आगे से तो बहुत सीख आ जाएगी उसकी. हाँ, निकल जाती है उसको सीख, ऐसे निकल जाता है सीख उसका इजीली. तो थोड़ा ना हवा देने के टाइम में थोड़ा ढील आराम से लेना पड़ेगा एक्चुअली बाद में. पर एनीवे गुड. आप तो हमारे स्टार वुमेनिया हो, तो आपको कोई विशेष टिप्पणी ऑन दिस वन? यू हैव एक्चुअली बीन मेंटर टू मेनी वुमेन आल्सो. आई नो दैट आपके जूनियर्स को बहुत सारे आपने गाइड भी किए हैं. तो इस टॉपिक के ऊपर आपको कोई विशेष
हम तो
टिप्पणी?
इतने बड़े वुमेनिया नहीं है. हम तो बहुत छोटे से कीड़े हैं.
हम्बल है आप.
हम अपने आप के लिए करके आ गए हम. तो यह जैसे कि आपने कहा कि वैसे तो वुमेन की मेन स्ट्रेंथ वही होती है जो आप अभी नहीं सुनना चाहते हैं कि क्या है जी. वो सब होता है. So that's like a universal truth, right? But I think I like the movie just Gunjan Saxena. And
correct.
That's like a different kind of, and it's based on real story, right?
Correct.
So उसका जो गाना है वो अच्छा है.
उसके अच्छी 2-3 गाने अच्छे गाने हैं उसके. इनफैक्ट दिस मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग बेबी मैंने ऑलरेडी बजाया था उसको, तो आई वाज नॉट गोना प्ले दैट सॉन्ग. बट टुडेज गोइंग अवे सॉन्ग इज गोइंग वेरी नाइस. आप सुनिएगा, आपको मजा आएगा.
अच्छा, गुड. ओके,
ठीक है.
यू टेक केयर. हां ठीक है जी. थैंक यू जी.
थैंक यू फॉर कॉलिंग इन, रिप्रेजेंटिंग अगेन. एंड ये भी थे हमारी उमनिया जो यार आई टेल यू व्हाट, ऑल द वुमेन आउट देयर, आप लोगों में कुछ ना कुछ तो है यार, कुछ तो है आपके अंदर. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट यू गाइस टू एक्सप्लोर एंड बी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट. दैट्स व्हाट इवन दिस पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग इज टेलिंग यू. खोल दे पर, राइट? आपके अंदर है सब कुछ. 7 समुद्र का जो भी पावर है आपके अंदर है ऑलरेडी. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, राइट? एंड डोंट वरी अबाउट मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स, बिकॉज इवन इफ यू मेक अ मिस्टेक, दैट्स व्हाट दे से, राइट? एक बंद घड़ी भी 2 दफा दिन में सही टाइम दिखाता है. तो द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ यू डूइंग राइट इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी देयर फॉर श्योर. वेल दैट्स व्हाई आई लाइक अबाउट दिस काइंड ऑफ मूवी. दिस मूवी इज एक्चुअली showcasing women apart from the general role they actually portray them to be. I'm sorry, but अगर आप पूरे 100 साल 100 plus, I think 2012 में इंडियन सिनेमा का सेंटिनियल सेलिब्रेशन हुआ था. So, almost 110 years of Indian cinema. Sad to note, only towards the fag end of this particular time, millennium में ही actually, majority of these movies are coming out talking about the women's role in a different light. Not the prescribed way of women. Because if you look at it, Badhujan, आप 90s, 50s, हाँ, very good, nice songs हैं, मैं मानता हूँ, great poets थे, मानता हूँ, but poets लिखते हैं वुमेन के पर्सपेक्टिव में, दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट लाइक, आई वाज नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल, बिकॉज हाउ विल अ मेल अंडरस्टैंड द फीमेल इमोशन. तो जैसे भी हमें प्रोपेगेट हुआ है, that is a man's perspective how women are supposed to be, but that's not the way they are, right? So basically you're prescribing things onto them. That's what I'm talking about. लेकिन अच्छा हुआ कि कुछ तो चेंज हो रहा है, बट अभी और बाकी है काम और बाकी है बनजान. I'm always moved to this particular statement. The notorious RBG, the late notorious RBG, who actually, she supposedly said this, that somebody asked her when is going to be enough women in the Supreme Court, and she said when it's 9. That's the number of women people in the Supreme Court anyways. But anyways, that's the dream, that's a goal to be looking out for. And of course she's also a very powerful woman. वो भी हमारी women या थी जो she did a lot in terms of upliftment of not only this gender equality part of it, but general aspect, in terms of how to bring in the balance of conservatism and liberalism is what RBG was famous for actually. Now, coming back to the point, आज का theme था Women या Wednesdays, जहाँ पे we talking about women and how Indian cinema has been viewing women. And as you know, मैं जो भी stories का गाना लगा रहा हूँ are pretty much how some are based on true life, right? Biopic types, and some are kalpanik. That's like fictional. And just now we just heard a song from a movie which actually was a biopic, or should I say based on true life story. It was called Hichki, right? Usse pehle we played Tumhari Sulu, which was totally a fictional thing. Now we'll jump back to a fictional storyline which actually was very nicely written. Now I'm not sure if this actually really happened, but there are many situations I know of people who have taken on responsibility. Like कहा जाता था कि a boy is a person who will take care of the parents and everything, right? So that was always the norm which people thought of in Indian culture, right? So it's not always true. There are many people who actually have been wonderful daughters who actually taken on the role of all the sons in the world, I suppose. But similarly, this particular movie was very interesting, very nicely done. One of the, I should say, the movie which actually catapulted Deepika into the serious acting part of it. Right? When I say serious, I'm talking like, people started watching her like, oh, okay, fine, she seems to be taking on good roles and all stuff, right? That movie's name is Piku. And Piku is a title track, Linge Maljan. In this, what I liked about this particular movie was it was a different take about a woman totally. She was not the person who was, lovey-dovey kind of a person looking for just settling down all the stuff. But at the same time, she did the role of son also for her dad, right? Very nice. ये गाना अच्छा गाना है. सुनील चौहान की आवाज़ सुनिएगा बंधुजान. It's from a movie called Piku. ज़्यादा सुने नहीं होंगे यार, because first of all Piku was again a female oriented kind of movie, right? So ज़्यादा famous नहीं हुआ, लेकिन फिर भी critically acclaimed.
सुबह की धूप पे इसी की दस्तखत है, इसी की रोशनी उड़ी जो हर तरफ है, ये लम्हों के कुएं में रोज झांकती है, ये जाके वक्त से हिसाब मांगती है, ये पानी है, ये आग है, ये खुद लिखी किताब है, प्यार की खुराक सी है पिको, सुबह की धूप पे इसी की दस्तखत है.
A very nice story about relationship of a dad and a daughter, I suppose. बीच में आ गया taxi driver इरफान खान. Nice movie. अगर देखा है तो देखिएगा जरूर. Piku. Amitabh Bachchan ji is also done a good job. Yeah. Piku के इस गाने में तो sung by Sunil Chauhan. Anupam Roy lyrics, I suppose.
सांसों का पलटे और लिखे उन पे मन की बातें रे, लेना इसको क्या किससे, इसको तो भाई खुद का साथ रे. ओ बारिश की बूंद जैसी, सर्दी की धुंध जैसी, कैसी पहेली इसका हल ना मिले, कभी ये आसमां उतारती है नीचे, कभी ये भाग ऐसे बादलों के पीछे, इसे हर दर्द घोट जाने का नशा है, करो जो आए जी में इसका फलसफा है, ये पानी है, ये आग है, ये खुद लिखी किताब है, प्यार की खुराक सी है पिको. सुबह की धूप पे इसी की दस्तखत है, इसी की रोशनी उड़ी जो हर तरफ है, ये लम्हों के कुएं में रोज झांकती है, ये जाके वक्त से हिसाब मांगती है, ये पानी है ये आग है ये खुद लिखी किताब है, प्यार की खुराक सी है पीकू।
And that was a song from the movie Piku Balanjan. कैसा लगा? अच्छा लगा ना? Actually आज के जो भी गाने थे मुझे अच्छा लगे. And I always assume that if I like it, probably you guys will like it also. Well, वैसे तो बहुत सारे female oriented movies आए थे, गाने आए थे, सब आए थे. I agree with you. No, I'm not disagreeing with you at all. But आज specifically I wanted to play a song which actually portrayed women in a different way. A different perspective of how about that? How about portraying a different perspective of a woman is what I wanted to focus on today. And I hope you enjoyed the songs I picked for you guys. Sabhi hand-picked gaane hai Balajan. And haan, bahut sare dher sare gaane. I won't be able to do justice to all those songs in a matter of 2 hours. In the 2 hours I only came for 1.5 hours. You can imagine. तो काफी सारे गाने बाकी हैं बाबा है बहुत सारे गाने बाकी हैं. And yes, याद आते हैं movies which come to mind immediately would be and all again I'm telling you this again Brajan, this is my observation, very few movies actually out of 110 years of Indian cinema, only the last 20 years where you have seen a lot of change, right? A lot of mind shift changing, women's role changing in movies, all those things, but still there is still that particular part of objectifying and all that demeaning movies all coming up anyways, right? At the same time they're giving us a good movies also, right? Now there is I'm going to break the trend right now. I was going from fiction to non-fiction, fiction to non-fiction. Now there's something which actually very important. Ye Gana jo hai is from a movie which actually brings light to something very interesting and very important also, by the way. And this is from the movie called Pink. Agar aapne Pink film dekha nahi to dekhega zarur. I saw it, was nice. A total different perspective once again. And how people are quick to blame, when something happens, they're quick to blame the woman. Oh, I don't know if you've seen this. In fact, this topic came up even in a previous show last time when we talked about this. We're saying, oh, they start blaming the women. Actually, wow, you should not have gone there. You would have gone. It's because you asked for it and all the stuff, right? That kind of stuff. Lekin is gaane mein ek Pink bol ke gana hai. This is actually sung by Jonita Gandhi. And this lyrics is written by Ishad Kamil Saab. So I'm sure there have been some kind of research gone into this particular movie because movie itself was about you know, it actually is, I think the movie is called Pink Anthem. This music composer Anupam Roy, previous composer the wahi hai, and lyrics Ishad Kamil.
जी में जो आए वैसा मुझको कर जाने दे, मन का है कोना कोना हिंग होना ही था ये होना, हिंग नहीं तो आधा कोना जीना नहीं, मन का है कोना कोना हिंग झूठा है बोले जो ना, हिंग जीना क्या आधा कोना, मेरा है पूरा ही समा, मेरी ज़मीन और आसमां, and my world goes pink. Oh,
Double song for you guys. Marvel Goes Pink. ये गाना of course is not something which actually was in the movie, because the movie was a different kind of movie. It was about how women were actually just going to have fun and get caught up in the wrong situation and with the wrong people around, and things go south literally, and then how when they try to sue, they get blamed on the bargain, right? All those things, right? So it was a very interesting take, and I think it was very well written for Amitabh Bachchan also. Amitabh Bachchan, of course, on screen he has a great presence, and he's done justice to it. And I love the statement of no being a whole statement. In fact, towards the end of the movie, there's one speech he does about no as being a whole sentence in itself, right? And definitely suniega, and it's a way watch the movie if you can. It's called Pink, and yeah, different perspective again about women and how it always misconstrued by people. That's what the movie is all about. A good movie nevertheless, right? So today, of course, was totally Womania Wednesday, and the Womania in our show generally is not here today. She actually is cultivarified today, but probably she'll join us later on, as in tomorrow morning with Good Morning Bay, I suppose. But jab aayenge baat karenge iske bare mein. But I want to thank all you guys who actually joined in today and made this show successful by calling in on the phone number 408-912-2479. This is Radio D Hotties, airing live and local on Radio Mirchi 1310 AM. We also live stream on our Facebook page, facebook.com/Radio D Hotties. You can see the video there going on, and also you can listen to us 24/7 anywhere in the world if you have internet access, of course, by downloading the app called Radio D Hotties, available on Android and also on the iOS platform. Go check it out. It's called Radio D Hotties 24/7. Must music aayega aapko. No interruptions or ads, because we believe in just having good entertainment. We believe in the philosophy of dirty picture. No, not that way. We're just talking about entertainment. That's what we do with the Jad. And right now, coming up to the close of the regular show on Womania Wednesdays, I really think that, why not? They should have fun. They have the equal rights, so that they actually should have equal rights. They only ask equal rights because if you look at, they actually are more stronger than us men. That's true, because where they are women. Woo, that men there. So today's show, I'm going to wrap up with this beautiful song, which I actually played even in the morning, actually, almost, but could not play the whole song because we had to sign off and everything. So, but I'm trying to see if I can be mindful and play the song ahead of time. This is from a movie wherein they have done an excellent job. It's not a male-oriented or female-oriented movie, but definitely a male. You will start feeling the love of a father and what they go through when they actually are getting their daughter into, or rather, giving the daughters growing up, how they feel and everything. It's beautifully done. Irfan Khan Saab's, I think, last movie which he actually did, unfortunately, it got stuck because of the COVID-19, I suppose, but did go online, I suppose. The OTT actually streamed it for people to watch. It's a very good movie. If you don't watch it, watch it. It's called Angrezi Medium, not the Hindi medium. It's called Angrezi Medium. A nice perspective about a father-daughter connection, and how it is, how it actually takes shape, and how the daughter, and again, daughter ka view jo hai na, about the daughter being the very spoiled daughter, the concept and all is not what they talk about. They talk about something very realistic, very believable, and also it's a fictional story, but nevertheless rings home because they have taken a total different perspective about a woman as well there. Okay, so this is a nice song I'll play for you guys from the movie called Kudi Nu Nachne De. That's all girls want to do. They want to have fun, right? Why not? Let them have fun, right? Enjoy the song. बजे इसी के साथ मैं बोलने वाला आप लोगों को good night, शब्बा खैर. Have a beautiful rest of the weekend actually, and also the evening. मिलते हैं आपको कल से very bright and early with Good Morning Bay. ये है आपके लिए fun movie. मीठी सी ये मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया क्यों? अंग्रेजी medium. In the voice of Vishal Dadlani. सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नु मौज में रहने दे ना दुनिया क्यों? Music by Sachin Jigar. कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल, इसे चूमने दे अपनी बीत दे, कुड़ी नू नचने दे. And lyrics by Priya Saraiya. झुमके हाँ झुमके कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे या फिक्रां नू छड़ के बन ठन के कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे.